Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download Need for Speed Most Wanted on PC. So to download Need for Speed Most Wanted on PC or laptop, you have to first of all make sure to install Steam on your device. So for that, open up a browser. On the web address bar, go ahead and type in steampower.com. That's going to take you to the official page, and right on this page you need to go ahead and tap on the install Steam button. When you do that, it's going to proceed on to the installation process. Go through it and then follow the instructions in order to install the application. When you're done installing it, go ahead and create your account and log in. When you're logged in, go to stores. As you click on stores here on the search box, go ahead and look for the game that you wish to download, that is Need for Speed Most Wanted. When you locate the following game, go ahead and press on it and it's going to take you to the official page. And right on this page, go ahead and click on add to cart. When you do that, it's going to be added to your cart, and then you could go ahead and click on continue or maybe view my card and proceed on to the checkout. Go ahead and select the payment source and all that, and you'll have successfully bought the game. And after you bought the game, you could go ahead and download and install and play the game. So that's how you can download and play Speed for Most Wanted on PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.